Here we have a Master EX series lock, and it's got a little logo emblem in it saying "Tough Under Fire." I think this is an old lock. It's a closed shackle or semi-closed shackle, and it's Master Lock number 1. It's a 4-pin lock. I don't have a key for it, so we're going to have to pick it open. So we'll go ahead and do that. And turning tool in there. Covert pick from the Genesis set. Go in the back. There. Heard that pop. There we go. Let's see if I can see in there. The newer ones have ball bearing balls. This one has a spring-loaded. If it didn't have this shroud over it, it could probably maybe shim it. Okay, close it back up, and this time we'll try another opening method. We'll use the Lishi in 1. Make sure it's all the way in and flush. And a moderate amount of tension on here. 4 click. 3 little click on 3. 2. Boom, that was easy. Okay. Well, that's the Master Lock EX series shrouded padlock. Thanks for watching.